Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about trust and trust issues. Yeah. Hey, you know what? I think a lot of times trust is a hard thing. But anyways, let's just get into the video. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, like I said, I want to talk about trust and trust issues. If you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit. And I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and we believe in being confident, loud, and wait, I messed that up. Being bold, loud, and confident. There we go, we got it. Anyways, yes, and so Girl Censored is our women's apparel line, and you can find out more about Girl Censored at girlcensored.com. But anyways, let's talk about trust, you guys. So, in my book, You Choose Your Outfit, I talk a lot about the fact that you can choose your outfit. An outfit is the metaphor for your reality and or experience. So basically, you can be the stylist of your life. You are the designer of your life. Now, when it comes to trust, that's an interesting thing. So I'm going to talk about trust from my perspective. So your girl really has never trusted a lot of people in her life. I know that's like surprising to a lot of people that really know me. Not really. But yeah, I really had a hard time trusting people in my life. Now, with that being said, I think a lot of us, we do experience trust issues. We do experience situations where we do lose trust in people. And honestly, I feel like a lot of people feel this way. I feel like a lot of people have lost trust in other human beings. Gotten to a point where we trust animals more so than human beings, which, it is what it is. A dog seems to love unconditionally, I'm just saying. Yeah, I want to talk about trust and trust issues. And from the perspective of You Choose Your Outfit. Now, in that book, I share that we are the creators of our life. Now, then you might wonder, if I'm having trust issues, if I encounter people that make me lose trust in people or lose trust in them, what is that saying about me? And I think it's important for us to really, in every situation and aspect, to take an observer standpoint and actually think, how do I play a part in this? If I am creating my reality, if I'm in control of my experience in my life. Now, when it comes to trust, I said, your girl always had trust issues. And so why is that? I've in my life experienced situations where I have lost trust. And I'm talking about in personal relationships as well as business. Now, business is super important because we don't often talk about trust issues in business, but that is a huge thing because I do look at business and business relationships like a marriage and not a romantic relationship, any kind of relationship, I guess, but sort of like a marriage. Like, you really have to have trust there in order to fulfill whatever mission or vision that you guys have set out to accomplish. So trust is super important. And so I have encountered trust issues in personal relationships as well as business. And I always like to take a step back and say, hey, Amber, what is the common denominator here? You, obviously. So what can you do to change this outcome, to change your reality, to change your outfit? So for me, I had to think, why am I encountering all these situations where my trust is being tested, right? So essentially, I've gotten to a question, because I talk about in the book about asking the deep questions, asking why things happen, why you think the things that you do. And so I've gotten to a question that I was like, that is so interesting. And the question is, oh wow, that was kind of country. And the question is, do I trust myself? Because one of the things that I kept finding myself, especially in business, is encountering the same situation, especially when it came to trust and loyalty, over and over again. And I'm like, gosh, can I trust myself to make the right decision in moving forward and establishing partnerships and collaborations? And then I was like, wow, do I trust myself? So essentially, this manifestation of having trust issues and having situations occur in my life where my trust is tested, continuously having these issues with trust, boils down to, do I even trust myself? And so for me, that's where the work comes in. That's where I change my outfit. So that's where the work comes in. That's where I change my outfit. I have to start trusting myself more, or trusting myself, period, to be able to have situations, people, and circumstances where my trust is not tested. I'm not experiencing trust issues, and I'm not experiencing situations where trust is lost. So I say all of this to say, if you're in a situation where you're finding yourself having to deal with a lot of cheating, or you're in business relationships and people keep undercutting you, or doing things that are shady, or friendships where people are talking behind your back, perhaps there is something behind that. Is it that perhaps you don't trust yourself? And so when you can do the work, when you ask those deep questions and you do the work, then at that point you can change your outfit and experience a different reality. Experience loyalty, experience faithfulness. In a lot of situations, I talk a lot about you doing the work. And that's going to be reflected in your reality. It's not so much that we are wanting this person to change, wanting that person to change. No. You can't control other people. The only person you can control is yourself. So what kind of work can you do to see the reality, the experience, to experience your dream life? You choose your outfit. So that's all for this video. I just wanted to share that. It's a different take on trust, because I myself, I even came to that determination just today. Yes, today. Because I had experienced so many situations and circumstances in my life where I'm like, why is my trust always being tested? And I'm like, gosh, really? And I had to really think. I'm like, gosh, if I'm the creator of my reality, if I'm in control of this, what is this saying about me? I had to ask the deep questions, just like I talk about in the book, is you have to ask those deep questions, those questions that make you feel uncomfortable, because that definitely made me feel uncomfortable, okay? But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. And like I said, I'm the author of You Choose Your Outfit, and this video is actually inspired from that book. And if you would like to learn more about that book, I'm going to leave the link below for that as well, and you can find out more about my book at ambermarieturner.com. Anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will check you in the next video. Peace. Oh, that lash though. You can always tell when your girl got her nails done, because she likes to talk like this and stuff. Yes, 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 yes.